Hello, welcome back to the Practical Camper. Today we're at Balmorhea State Park near Balmorhea, Texas, where we went to the Balmorhea State Park pool. We're going to stop by here, passing through the area, and we're going to go swim for a little bit. This park right now is packed. We had to get our day passes in advance because they have over 700 people here every day, and they have to book up the sites or book up the day passes so that they don't have, an uncontrollable number on the natural resources. The pool is spring fed and was built there by the Civilian Conservation Corp and was recently closed for renovations, but that's all completed now, and this is one of the first summers that's been open. I think it was closed all last summer. They were worried about getting it back open in time for this summer's enjoyment, but it's back open. It's a spring fed pool, so it's the same temperature year round. I think it's close to 67 degree water, so it should be fun. After some slight confusion, we got our wristbands. We now have access to the San Solomon Spring. All right, here we are at the San Solomon Spring pool. It's a natural pool. A good chunk of it's 5 foot deep, and then it goes all the way, I believe, to 25 foot deep out there by the diving board. And look at that water. Thanks for watching. If you've ever been to Balmorhea State Park, comment about what you saw there or what your experience was. If you want to go ahead and leave a message saying you want to get out there. It's a really neat park, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Until we meet again next time, be sure to like and subscribe, and happy trails.